Subject-Verb Agreement. Concordancia entre sujeto y verbo. Ella canta bonito. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Los niños juegan afuera. The children play outside. The children play outside. The children play outside. El perro ladra fuerte. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Mi hermano estudia mucho. My brother studies a lot. My brother studies a lot. My brother studies a lot. Las flores huelen bien. The flowers smell good. The flowers smell good. The flowers smell good. Los estudiantes escuchan al maestro. The students listen to the teacher. The students listen to the teacher. The students listen to the teacher. Tú bailas muy bien. You dance very well. You dance very well. You dance very well. Los pájaros vuelan alto. The birds fly high. The birds fly high. The birds fly high. Mi abuela cocina delicioso. My grandmother cooks deliciously. My grandmother cooks deliciously. My grandmother cooks deliciously. Él trabaja todos los días. He works every day. He works every day. He works every day. Las chicas corren rápido. The girls run quickly. The girls run quickly. The girls run quickly. Los amigos hablan mucho. The friends talk a lot. The friends talk a lot. The friends talk a lot. El sol brilla en el cielo. The sun shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. Mi madre limpia la casa. My mother cleans the house. My mother cleans the house. My mother cleans the house. Nosotros caminamos al parque. We walk to the park. We walk to the park. We walk to the park. El gato duerme profundamente. The cat sleeps deeply. The cat sleeps deeply. The cat sleeps deeply. La música suena bien. The music sounds good. The music sounds good. The music sounds good. Los estudiantes leen libros. The students read books. The students read books. The students read books. Ella monta a caballo. She rides a horse. She rides a horse. She rides a horse. Los niños saltan alto. The children jump high. The children jump high. The children jump high. Los cocineros preparan la comida. The cooks prepare the food. The cooks prepare the food. The cooks prepare the food. Los médicos ayudan a las personas. The doctors help people. The doctors help people. The doctors help people. Los niños nadan en la piscina. The children swim in the pool. The children swim in the pool. The children swim in the pool. Los profesores enseñan a los estudiantes. The teachers teach the students. The teachers teach the students. The teachers teach the students. Mi hermana toca el piano. My sister plays the piano. My sister plays the piano. My sister plays the piano. Los artistas pintan cuadros hermosos. The artists paint beautiful paintings. The artists paint beautiful paintings. The artists paint beautiful painting. Las abejas zumban en el jardín. The bees buzz in the garden. The bees buzz in the garden. The bees buzz in the garden. Los deportistas compiten en el torneo. The athletes compete in the tournament. The athletes compete in the tournament. The athletes compete in the tournament. Los científicos investigan el cambio climático. The scientists research climate change. The scientists research climate change. The scientists research climate change. Los pájaros cantan en la mañana. The birds sing in the morning. The birds sing in the morning. The birds sing in the morning.